Alright, so today I'm just going to go over a short video of this little project I've been working on for the last 2 nights. Trying to help out some of my homies. But it's what we want to do is we want to be able to convert LookML files over to Omni files. If you haven't looked at Omni, you should check it out. It's yet another BI platform. But a bunch of people left Looker after the whole Google thing and started another BI platform. So we want to convert all the LookML stuff over to Omni to make it a lot easier for customers and clients to adopt Omni and not have to rewrite all their Looker stuff by hand, LookML by hand. So I'm doing this in Clojure. So right here, let's open this up, and I've used this. I've done a similar project before in Clojure script. It wasn't converting LookML, but it was essentially parsing a bunch of unstructured data into form that we could ingest into BigQuery and do reporting on with Looker while I was at Looker. And we used to run these data pipelines in Apache NiFi. So initially I did it all in Clojure script, but this time I wanted to do it in Clojure, which is a list that runs on the JVM. So yeah, and the library I'm using here is called instaparse. So if you don't know what that is, you could go look it up, or we could pull up our little friend here, GitHub Copilot. The solution to everybody's problems, put us all out of work. What is instaparse and how might I use it? Let's try that. And it's context, I think it's context aware that I'm in a Clojure project, so it kind of knows I'm talking about Clojure. Oops. So right here you can see, okay, instaparse is a powerful library for Clojure and Clojure script that allows you to create parsers for grammars specific to an intuitive format. Instaparse can handle context-free grammars, context-sensitive grammars, can produce parse trees, which is what we want. We want to get that into a data structure that we can manipulate pretty easily. And then if you don't know, you can keep asking Copilot here. What is let him think here. So yeah, there you go. Pretty cool stuff. All right, enough of the bot. Let's go here now, and what we're gonna do is start off with this. This is the way I have this is you can either parse a file that's on disk, or if it's right now out on the internet, publicly available in raw format. So like a lot of GitHub files out there. You can just point it to these, and what we want to do is parse this file and essentially get the explorers and then all the joins, and then obviously all the data associated with the joins, like the kind of join it is and the SQL, and then a lot of this PDT stuff and data group stuff we just don't care about because we don't have that in Omni, I believe. So, and all this garbage we don't care about. So go back here. Let's go ahead and kick the tires on this beast. Oops, here. Let's build this up. Build this Uber jar so we can run it from the command line. And then real quick, this is the grammar that I wrote initially for the explorers that defines the explorers, the tables, the table names, the SQL, predicates, all that stuff. Okay, and then we have a bunch of different helper functions here that I wrote, and Copilot helped me write some reduces and things like that. All right, so we got the jar file, and let's do a quick little help on it. Okay. Oh, gotta do my help. And right here. Right now all we do is we take a document and then we take a document type. Right now it's just we only support explorers, but we can add views in there. And the way I was going to deal with that is we'll probably just have something like, I'm using def method here. We can have explore or view. I could break this up. We need to break this up even more so we're not returning this whole, the parser and everything. We should just, you know, get the grammar, and then we can just, everybody can use the same parser, just pass in specific grammar to it. So yeah, all right. So let's go ahead and run this bad boy. I'm not outputting anything to the screen quite yet. Just writes it out to a file. Okay, let's do a -a. Get this file here. -b is explore. All right. Now that that ran, let's go look in the temp directory. Ran this a couple more times earlier, so this is the most recent one. Have to rename those. So there you go. So we've taken. Seems really straightforward, but yeah, as I learned, it's not as straightforward as one would like. But we're taking all the explorers and joins, and we're creating kind of nice curated Omni syntax that hopefully we should be able to just cut and paste this into Omni and get some stuff working. So yeah, so there's that one, and then we also, like, here's another one. This is one of those looker blocks for LinkedIn, I guess. I don't know. Let's take a look at that one. Probably one of those ones that Dylan, I think it was his name, maybe put together back in the day. Okay, let's go run this now. I gotta figure out the shortcut for this. Z shell. I switched shells. And all right, so ran that. Let's go look at this. So there we go. We got all those from there. Oops. So the LinkedIn ones, the join from, campaigns, all that good fancy stuff. The SQL. So there you go. Bob's your uncle, you know, just a little GitHub Copilot, and sprinkle that in, and that's all we need to do. And I'll let you know how it goes. I'll probably have another one down the road as this evolves. So there you go. Bob's your uncle. Have a good day.